Piano Ninja Master, and I'm here today to tell you of how I became a piano ninja. I went to pianoeasy.info website, and then there I download all their piano lesson and ebooks and audio recording. Over 200 for you to download. It's so fast and so easy. You become a piano pro like me in only a matter of time. Now it's even compatible with the iPad. All his lesson is so easy. It's so straightforward. You just follow his course plan and you become a piano ninja. And now for a limited time only, it is only 50% off. So go and get your piano lesson at pianoeasy.info.